Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Black bean noodles, known as Jajangmyeon, are a cornerstone of Korean Chinese cuisine. It's a dish celebrated for its rich, savory flavor and distinctive dark sauce. This meal holds a special place in South Korea's culinary heart. Jajangmyeon's appeal comes from its thick, black bean paste, called hunjang, which creates a glossy glaze over chewy noodles. Its roots trace back to Chinese immigrants in Korea, evolving into the beloved comfort food it is today. You'll find it incredibly popular across the country. Unraveling the origins and cultural significance of Jajangmyeon. Have you ever wondered about the story behind your favorite dishes? Jajangmyeon, while a staple in Korean cuisine today, has a rich history that begins far from the Korean peninsula. Its journey from a simple Chinese noodle dish to a symbol of Korean comfort food is quite fascinating. From Chinese Jajangmyeon to Korean Jajangmyeon. The tale of Jajangmyeon starts in the late 19th century. Chinese immigrants, many of whom settled in Incheon, brought their culinary traditions with them. Among these was Jajangmyeon, a dish featuring hand-pulled noodles topped with a fried bean sauce. Imagine the bustling port city of Incheon at that time, a melting pot of cultures and flavors. Over time, this Chinese noodle dish underwent a significant transformation in Korea. The original savory Chinese black bean paste, usually made with fermented soybeans, evolved. Korean chefs began adapting the recipe, creating hunjang, the distinctively darker and sweeter bean paste we associate with Jajangmyeon today. They also added caramelized onions and sometimes meat or seafood, thickening the sauce to better coat the chewy Korean noodles. This adaptation resulted in a unique flavor profile. It's a prime example of how food traditions adapt and flourish in new environments. Cultural impact and special occasions. Jajangmyeon isn't just a meal, it's woven into the fabric of Korean daily life and celebrations. This humble dish appears at many significant moments. Graduation ceremonies. For many Koreans, a bowl of Jajangmyeon after a graduation ceremony is a cherished tradition. It represents a rite of passage, a simple yet rewarding meal to celebrate hard work and new beginnings. Moving day. There's nothing quite like the chaos of moving. On moving day, when kitchens are in boxes, Jajangmyeon is the go-to meal. It's affordable, widely available, and delivers quickly, providing a comforting break amidst the moving frenzy. Many families order it to their new homes, making it a part of settling in. Black Day, April 14th. While Valentine's Day and White Day celebrate couples, April 14th is Black Day in Korea. It's a day for singles. On this day, unattached individuals gather to eat Jajangmyeon, often dressed in black. It's a way to acknowledge being single, share a meal with friends, and find solidarity in a shared experience. These traditions show how Jajangmyeon became more than just food. It grew into a symbol of togetherness, celebration, and sometimes, shared commiseration. It reflects the simple joys and important milestones in Korean culture. Beyond the basics, key ingredients that define authentic Jajangmyeon. While Jajangmyeon's cultural footprint is significant, its true magic lies in the specific ingredients that give it its signature taste and texture. Each component plays a vital role in creating that harmonious blend of savory, sweet, and slightly bitter notes. The star of the show, hunjang, Korean black bean paste. At the heart of every authentic Jajangmyeon dish is hunjang. This unique Korean black bean paste is what gives the noodles their distinctive dark color and deep, savory flavor. It's made from fermented black beans, often mixed with caramel and flour. This combination creates a rich, complex flavor that is both earthy and slightly sweet. What sets hunjang apart from its Chinese counterparts is this added caramel. It provides a unique sweetness and a darker hue, making Korean Jajangmyeon instantly recognizable and truly delicious. Perfectly chewy noodles for the ideal Jajangmyeon experience. The noodles for Jajangmyeon are just as important as the sauce. We're talking about thick, chewy wheat noodles, often handmade for the best results. Their texture is crucial for two main reasons. First, these robust noodles can perfectly hold the thick hunjang sauce. Thin noodles would simply be overwhelmed. Second, their satisfying chewiness provides a delightful contrast to the rich and smooth sauce. Each bite offers a pleasant textural experience that completes the dish. A medley of savory add-ins, pork, seafood, and vegetables. Beyond the sauce and noodles, the other ingredients contribute to jjajangmyeon's well-rounded flavor and texture. Common protein additions include diced pork, often using fattier cuts like belly or shoulder, which add richness to the sauce. Seafood. You might find shrimp or squid in some variations, offering a different depth of flavor. The vegetables are equally important, contributing both flavor and varying textures. You'll typically find onions, caramelized to add sweetness. Zucchini, for a fresh, slightly firm bite. Cabbage, lending a subtle sweetness and tenderness. Potatoes, absorbing flavors and adding a starchy creaminess. These ingredients are diced small, allowing them to blend seamlessly into the thick black bean sauce. They ensure that every spoonful of jjajangmyeon is a burst of flavor and a play of textures. Mastering the art of jjajangmyeon sauce, a step-by-step guide. Creating the perfect jjajangmyeon sauce is an art. It's all about building layers of flavor and achieving that signature, glossy texture. We will walk you through the essential steps to make a sauce that truly clings to your noodles, delivering a rich, satisfying experience with every bite. Browning the hunjang, the foundation of flavor. The first crucial step in making delicious jjajangmyeon sauce involves stir-frying the hunjang itself. This process, known as bok noin in Korean, is not just about heating the paste. It is essential for flavor development. By stir-frying the hunjang in oil, you reduce any bitterness that might be present in the raw paste. This cooking step also deepens its nutty and savory notes. It brings out the full, complex flavor of the fermented black beans. Think of it like toasting spices before you add them to a dish. It awakens their aroma and taste. You will notice a richer, more profound smell as the hunjang transforms in the hot oil. This foundation sets the stage for the rest of your sauce. Caramelization and sautéing, building layers of taste. Once your hunjang is perfectly browned, it is time to build more flavor. This involves caramelizing your onions and sautéing other ingredients. These steps create a delicious base before you mix in the hunjang sauce. Agera onions. Start by slowly cooking diced onions until they turn golden brown and sweet. This process brings out their natural sugars, adding a crucial layer of sweetness and depth to the overall sauce. Without this step, your sauce might lack a certain richness. Sauté other ingredients. Next, add your chosen protein like diced pork or seafood, along with vegetables such as zucchini or cabbage. Cook them until they are tender and slightly caramelized. This ensures each component contributes its unique flavor and texture to the final dish. These steps combine to create a savory and aromatic blend. This mixture then serves as the perfect canvas for the deep flavors of the hunjang. We've covered the origins and cultural importance of jjajangmyeon. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.